Assalamualaikum, my dear students. I hope you are revising, you are learning from my lessons. These are the basics of chemistry. So this is in first lesson I explain along with the definition atom, ion, matter. So I'm deciding to explain all these in another lesson. So this is lesson number 4. Structure of an atom. What is an atom? Atom has particular identity, and even the smallest piece like particles of carbon is carbon, C. You can write by symbol C. And the huge bulk of carbon, coal, is also C, carbon. So I'm explaining. Actually, I took a screenshot because I don't have laptop here, so inshallah I will make presentation and then explain to you. The structure of an atom. An atom includes a nucleus and then a series of orbital circles that surrounds this nucleus, similar to the solar system structure. You know what is solar system? Sun is in the center and different planets in different circles are placed. That circles are not in solar system uh, physically. These are the paths for the planets, how to by which planets can revolve. So the same structure of solar system is present in an atom. Nucleus is in the center and different circles for the different electrons, because electrons are arranged in different shells. Shells or orbit is the path by which electron revolve, like planet revolve around the sun. So electrons revolve around the nucleus. The protons and the neutrons reside in the nucleus. In the center, nucleus is present in an atom, and in nucleus, proton and neutron are placed, while electrons revolve around the nucleus. The electrons are in the orbital. The amount of proton in the nucleus of an atom determine its atomic number. Yeah, atomic number. What is an atomic number? Atomic number is the number of proton in an atom. If 3 protons means 3 atomic number. If 1 proton means 1 atomic number. And one more thing, number of protons are always equal to number of electrons in any atom. Hydrogen and helium are the examples of elements that have an atom. Hydrogen, 1 electron, 1 proton. 1 proton means its atomic number is 1. Helium has 2 protons, so what is its atomic number? Yes, 2. Okay. Atom. This is another explanation of an atom. Any of the divisible particle postulated by philosopher as a basic component of all matter. Yeah, matter. What is matter? Matter is that which has weight and occupy space. So atom is also matter. Matter composed of atoms. So atom is present in any matter. A tiny particle of anything. Atom is the tiny particle of anything. Any of the smallest particle of an element that combines with similar particle of other elements to produce compound. Atom of one element combined with atom of other element form compound or molecule. Like hydrogen, molecule atom of hydrogen combined with oxygen atom of oxygen and form water H2O means two hydrogen atom of hydrogen element and one atom of oxygen atom combined together form H2O, that is water, and consist of a small arrangement of electrons revolving about positively charged nucleus containing except for hydrogen, protons and neutrons and other particles. Hydrogen atom, what is the structure of hydrogen atom? Hydrogen atom has only one proton and one electron, no neutron, while other atom except hydrogen all have proton, electron and neutron. Okay? Now, this is molecule. First I explained atom, this is molecule. This is carbon dioxide molecule CO2. No, sorry. This is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide formula CO. So one carbon atom and one oxygen atom. This is oxygen molecule O2. Two oxygen atoms combined together form O2 molecule. Now this is carbon dioxide. One carbon in the center and two oxygen around carbon and having linear structure, straight structure, no angle. So this is carbon dioxide. Another, this is methane, CH4. One purple is carbon and four green are hydrogen. So this is methane molecule CH4 having tetrahedral shape. Tetrahedral, four corners. You are watching, and this is CH4. What type of compound? This is organic compound. Yes, carbon dioxide is inorganic compound. Oxygen is also inorganic. Carbon monoxide is organic. Okay. Now this is the definition of molecule. A molecule is the smallest particle in a chemical element or compound that has the chemical properties of that element or compound. Like oxygen molecule combined together with the help of two oxygen atoms having particular property, right? Molecules are made up of atoms that are held together by chemical bond. Yeah, again see the structure of oxygen. These blue O are not only attached without any force. they have some attraction between the nucleus of both oxygen atom, right? So this is called chemical bond. Again, see, molecules are made up of atoms that are held together by chemical bonds. These bonds form as a result of sharing or exchange of electrons among atoms. For example, H2, hydrogen. One electron of each hydrogen share and form H2 molecule. Or sometimes electrons are exchanged. I will explain you later because it's too detailed topic, so inshallah I will tell you in another lesson. The atoms of certain elements readily bond with other atom to form molecule. Example of such element are oxygen and chlorine. The atom of some element do not easily bond with other atom. Means one hydrogen having one electron share with one electron of another hydrogen atom. So form actually that type of attraction is covalent bond. So I'm trying to leave that topic, but again it comes. So exchange of electron means ionic bond is formed. For example, sodium loses one electron and chlorine gains electron, so form sodium chloride. This is compound. Okay. Now the third, I explain atom, molecule. This is ion. An atom or group of atom that carries a positive or negative electric charge as a result of having lost or gained one or more electrons. For example, you can easily understand by hydrogen because hydrogen has simplest structure, one electron. When hydrogen loses one electron, it becomes H positive ion, hydrogen ion. When hydrogen atom having one electron already, when it gains one electron, it becomes H negative. By the gain of electron, atom become negative, and atom when loses electron become positive ion. A charged subatomic particle such as free electron. This is generation of cation. Yes, again revise your previous topics. There are three red positive in the nucleus. These are protons. Determines, yes, recall. 3 protons means it has 3 atomic number. Okay. When it loses 3 green are electron having negative charge. When loses 1 electron become 2 green after the arrow. This one. So plus 3 minus 2 means plus 1 left. So plus 1 is the charge of that atom, and this is cation.